St. Mary's English High School, Nalasopara West. Standard 10th. Subject Geography. Chapter number 6, Population. Students, we all know that population is very important resource for any country. That may be in quality or in quantity, but it is important for one's economic and social growth. Let us study the population in relation to India and Brazil. Now, first, we are going to learn about India's population, which is termed as the second most populous country in the world, which is having the population around 121 crore as per the census conducted in 2011. India occupies around 2.41% of the land area, and the world whereas supports about 17.5% of world's population. India's average density of the population is about 382 persons per square kilometer, that is as per census of 2011. Students, now observe this map. In figure 6.1b, India population density, we see that India's population is very unevenly distributed. Physiography, climate play very important role in the distribution of population. Here we see the most fertile land like plain land and availability of the water, human settlements, etc. plays very important role in settlements of the human being. Due to farming and industries and other trade options, for the proportion of the population got concentrated in the few places. For example, such as Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, etc. have the high density of the population. On the contrary, we see the mountainous hilly regions, dry desert regions, dense forest areas and sparse because of inaccessibility, absence of the facility and tough life. Now look at this map of Brazil. Brazil is the most populated country in the South America, as it contributes around 19 crores of population according to census 2010, which ranked 5th in the world. It is also that Brazil occupies 5.6% of world's total land and has the 2.78% of world's total population. Therefore, the density of Brazil is around 23 persons per square kilometer. Now look at this map of Brazil. Figure 6.2b, population density in Brazil. The distribution of population in Brazil also shows very unevenly distributed. The majority of Brazilians have concentrated within the 3 kilometers of the eastern coast area is called coastal lowlands, and hence the agriculture and industries have flourished well here. As a result, the density of population is found mostly in these areas. On the other hand, the interior in the Brazilian like Amazon basin and other forest areas very sparsely populated due to unfavorable climate, heavy rainfall, inaccessibility and dense forest are the barriers for development of human settlement here. And we see that it occurs only in few places in the Amazon valley. The central and the western part of Brazil is less populated in comparison to the eastern and southern. And the density of the population in the highlands of Brazil is very moderate. Okay students, now I hope that you must have followed the India's population density and Brazil's population density. So here we are going to stop for this chapter, and in next video I will be explaining the next part of this lesson. Thank you for watching this video.